So we finished the exhaust. Now I do want to put those carbon pieces on as well. So they're actually heel plates and the spring plates. So now that I know actually how to wrench stuff and I'll take stuff off, so I want to do this by myself. So I'm a little bit excited about that too. So here's my carbon heel plate, one of them. They do come in pairs because that was my question. Do I just get one? They do come in pairs. So pretty carbon. And then I have the spring cover as well. I like to tear stuff up, but I might need a knife here. It's kind of tiny here. Okay. So this is they really packaged them nice. Don't want to break nothing. Okay. So, ooh, look at that. So,
Gloss
okay.
carbon.
Gloss carbon. That's what I have on the front. That's how we started. So I'm gonna start with the
Right
this
side?
right side. I think for more left, right. So I'll start with this one here first. So here's my part, and I do need an Allen wrench too. So here we are. Do is so then replacing this one. Do is I am going to start break these loose right here. Open them. I learned a lot today, so I'm kind of excited that I can actually do stuff by myself. It helps me learn because it is my bike after all. Okay, so here's the how heel plate is gonna look like right here in carbon. So before I screw it in, I'm gonna use some of the Loctite here because they already had some on here. That's to keep just a little dab right here. Start that right here. I'm not gonna tight it all the way.
Here's the other
Just a little bit. Do the same thing on this other screw. Just a little dab, that's plenty. This actually helps keeps the screw
From backing out?
from backing out because of all the vibration and stuff. Because this bike, if you don't know anything about Ducatis, I do have to tell you, they do vibrate a lot. My garbage. Okay. Here's the other part. The other piece, I just want to make sure that the holes line up correctly. So, and we're gonna do the same process here. Because both screws are the same size, but the other side one was bigger, the other one was smaller.
I think that's because of the brake.
Ah. So I'm gonna put a little bit here. Here. Oops. Oh, that might have had to thread through here first. Yeah. So
Sometimes you have to drill out carbon fiber holes.
yeah, this is very
This is good. That's
very
good. That's
tight.
good.
So I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. This is very thick piece of carbon.
So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to put Loctite after the screw because it's going to get it all in the carbon.
Ah, okay. Well, thanks for the tip. So, I'm gonna do the same thing here. This one goes in a lot easier.
Okay.
The other side than the other one.
Well, now put the Loctite on it.
Now put the Loctite on it.
Now put it on this side. Just a little bit. Just dab a little bit.
Okay.
Get those threads sticking out there a little bit more.
A little more. Okay.
You can use it.
I can use the Allen key?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
There you go.
all right.
Okay,
so
it's
now
enough
I
showing.
can pour, okay, so a little bit here, like that, dab.
Yep.
Just a little bit and a little bit right here. I think it
it's
transferred
enough.
over. Okay. And now I can still use the Allen key,
Sure.
right? So, here we are. I'm going to screw this in. Just get a little bite. And then I'm going to do this other side.
Give another little bite.
Get that little bite. So, okay.
Oh, that's not lying.
Hold on a second. I better stand up because I can't see correctly. Here we go.
It's coming in at an angle a little bit.
Yeah, I see that. So what do we do about that?
So yeah, you got to manipulate it with the Allen key. Push it a little forward.
Like that?
Let's see. How's it going in there?
I'm not sure.
We might have to take it off, and we have to drill it the hole a little bigger so that lines up correctly. How's that? Is it going in loose or tight?
It's kind of, it's going in. It's actually going in. Real good.
There you go.
So, that's one thing that always scares me. I don't want it to break nothing. Or I guess break the screw, strip the screw. Okay. So this side is going in. And now the other side. Other side too. Finagle this one a little bit better. But I know I keep on doing this. Look at that.
Screw in your glove in there.
Okay, look at that. Oh, that's good. So I did
Torque
those. Yep, torque it from this side. I learned that today. That means torquing it. Not twerking it, but torquing it.
That's
Okay.
crazy.
And then this here. Same, right?
Yep.
This too. Aha. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. I gotta tell myself that all the time. I think one of my old bosses might have told me that many, many years ago. You know what? There's a washer here. Look at that.
Just that one? No, on
So-
both of all of them, right?
Yeah, this one's a washer. The bike is so black that the screws are black. It's a little bit harder to see, but I got it.
It's another washer.
Yeah, I just don't want it to fall out. So. Okay, here comes the washer. All right, perfect. I'm gonna go grab the actual bracket here. This lines up
Wow.
too. Look at that. Looks good, right?
Looks great.
So I'm gonna put some Loctite on here too.
Yep. Of course.
Okay, some Loctite on here. I'm gonna do one screw at a time.
Just loosely screw them in. Don't tighten them in
Yeah.
all at once.
So I'm gonna do a little bit here. I will do it by hand. If that's all right, right here. This one. So just so it holds it in place for me, I'm gonna put the other two in. Right. Tab. Wow. So kind of hand tight everything. I'm going to use the Allen wrench. Allen key here. I'm going to tight it. tight. I'm gonna torque it.
Push it all the way in there.
Yeah. This way. No, and then one way. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Ta-da! Here is my new spring carbon spring plate
Cover.
cover. My little heel plate cover. My what is it called?
Carbon hugger. Fender. Depends where you're at.
And my other side. So, and my new exhaust with a little bit of carbon.